It's a bar reach. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. All right y'all, so in today's look, today was just really about doing another everyday look with the 25mm lashes. I just really wanted to showcase this beautiful wig, you guys. So I know that you guys saw me in the beginning of the video trying to, I know that you guys are probably going to see me showcasing the bold hold lace wig glue, but I ended up not using it, y'all, just because I honestly didn't need it. And please forgive me for my eyelash, like literally this eyelash, like I tell y'all, when I do makeup just for videos at home, I don't really put like a lot of lash glue on my eye. I just put enough where it'll hold up for when I take pictures or do record videos and things like that. But you guys, what we're really here for is this hair. This hair is from Ririhair. They kindly sent me this beautiful luxurious, is it luxurious or luscious, beautiful hair, you guys. And let me tell y'all, this wig is not glued down. I know my parting looks a little bit off, but that's okay because I already have parted the wig and I'm not about to move my wig. But this is a glueless lace frontal wig, and as you guys saw, this wig had the cap, not the cap, it had like the little band, elastic black band inside of the wig, so that makes it basically glueless. Like you don't have to wear glue or anything on your hair or spray any freeze spray. Now I will say the only part I had to use this was just for my ends on this side. I didn't do this side, but my ears are like really too small and stuff, but I might want to, like, you know, flip this behind my ear or something like this. But you guys, I really love this hair. So again, this hair is from Ririhair. This is a pre-plucked lace front wig, black version hair, silky straight. So I'm going to tell y'all this right now. When I did wash the hair, and I let it air dry, I did not blow dry the hair at all. The hair, for some reason, it was like a natural curl, like a wavy pattern. And I was just like, oh my gosh, y'all, the hair was so soft. And what I used to condition the hair was some hair conditioner from the beauty supply store. I don't know from the top of my head, I'll just leave it right here somewhere on the screen. And it made this hair so soft. The hair was already soft right out of the package. I mean, it was just beautiful, y'all. So I highly recommend this wig, especially for beginners. Like I literally barely had to do nothing, barely had to pluck the hairline because it came pre-plucked, so there was no over plucking for me. So the hair length is 20 inches. The hair color is natural color. I did end up rinsing it jet black just because y'all know I love jet black hair. I don't really get into all the colorful hair looks. I will do blonde, I'll do ash blonde or do highlights and stuff, but I'm not too big on the hair color, you know, nowadays. But I would love to try it. You know, there's nothing wrong with trying it. This wig density is 130%. I love when wigs come 130%. Like the less density, y'all, to be honest, the more natural it looks. It won't look so bulky in the back. It won't look so big, you know, stuff. And if you want to do like a if you want to do like a sleek ponytail, it won't look as, like, you know, bulky. So I really do like this. Now the only thing I would say about the parting space, this is a 4.5 part lace front wig. As y'all saw, it's really short, so I think it stops to like right here. And literally, like, I feel right here is where the elastic band was sewn, so I can't do like a half up half down, is because that part will be bumpy. So it is a little bit bumpy right here, but other than that, the wig is perfectly fine. Like I really do love this hair. Like I'm so in love with this hair. So the cap size I did get was medium. The lace color I got was lace brown. What am I saying? Light brown. And the hairline again is pre-plucked. The knots came bleached, you guys. I did not have to bleach the knots. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I was just so happy. Like I said, y'all, this hair company, I'm sure enough that they make wigs for women, our men, you know, who are just in the field of hair, they're on the go, or people who are, you know, who wants to start wearing wigs but they don't know what direction to go. So I highly recommend this hair company just because, like, you don't have to do much. They do all the work for you. But I highly recommend if you want to customize it, watch your videos and get help, you know, things like that. But other than that, you don't have to do nothing. Like literally, this is not glued to my head. This is glueless, like, and it's stuck to my head. Like I just want to give Beyonce flips and tricks and stuff. Like I just feel like a diva right now. No, diva is a female version of a hustler. Okay, y'all, but that's pretty much it about this hair. Again, make sure you guys shop their website. I don't have any codes, I don't believe, but if they do provide me with some, I will gladly provide you guys with any discount as much as I can. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and let y'all go ahead and watch this video. All right, you guys, again, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you guys how the hair came in the packaging and whatnot. Came through DHL, and you guys, the packaging, the box is just so freaking cute to me. I actually kept the bow that came on the box. I just thought it was so professional. It has the website on the side of the boxes and whatnot. So the inside of the box, it came with the brochure, the instructions on how to take care of the wig, and it also came with the wig brush, you guys, and it also came with a pack of stocking caps, which I thought that was really cool. And I just really appreciate how this company is just so professional in customer service and whatnot. So I just really adore that about them. So I was just so in love, y'all. Like, look how I'm just taking my time unpackaging the box and whatnot. Y'all could see me through the little brush, but I just thought this brush was just so cute, y'all. Like, look at this brush. I just freaking love it. Look, I'm like, yes. See, I be talking too much, y'all, forgive me. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all it comes with 2 pieces of the cap, and they sent me light brown, which was amazing. And here I'm going to be showing you guys the wig, y'all, and the wig is just so freaking super soft, and I was just so happy. So here I'm just showing y'all the lace, the cap structure and whatnot. And as I was saying before, this comes with the lace elastic band is what that's called. So that's really cool. So that's why I did call this a glueless lace frontal wig, you guys, because honestly, like I said, I didn't use no hairspray, no nothing to tame my wig. It's just everything was just held down by just this little band, this little elastic band. And I just think it's so cool. And it comes with 3 adjustable straps, I believe that's what it's called, like the little buckles. So I just think that is so freaking cool, y'all. And look at the box, like, I just love it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the hair, and I just use the Adore Jet Black. I literally use like 1 bottle, and I poured some hot steaming water in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it like literally 1 time. And here I'm just showing you guys the wig that I pre-plucked it, not pre-plucked it. I went on ahead and customized it to my liking and whatnot. Like I said, I didn't have to do much plucking because the wig already came pre-plucked. And I love wigs that come pre-plucked, you guys, because like I said, I'm a beginner at wigs, and I'm not a person who does hair and stuff. So when companies send me wigs that are pre-plucked, it's helping me out a lot, you know. So yeah, so right now I'm just taking my Ruby Kiss loose powder, or pressed powder, and I'm just placing that on my hair cap, and I'm also placing that on the wig as well, just to make it look more seamless and whatnot, basically to make it look more blended out. So here you see me, it's really tight, you guys. Like, I had it like literally like on the 3rd strip, and it was just so freaking tight, y'all. Like, look at me, I'm like, oh my god. But yeah, so forgive me for my parting looking like this. Like, again, like I said, I styled it on my dome head, and I clearly misparted it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the makeup. You guys seen me use these products before. I'm taking my Anastasia foundation stick, my Fit Me Maybelline foundation, and I'm basically just mixing those together. But before I do that, of course, I'm gonna moisturize my face with my Huda Beauty Primer and also my Aquaphor Healing Ointment. And right now I'm just color correcting. You guys see me stay color correcting. I don't know what it is, but my face has just been getting all these dark spots on it, and I'm just not liking it. And I used to not have to color correct like this, y'all, but I'm anemic and I have really dark circles, you know, under my eye, and I just didn't want to take that chance of applying more concealer, more foundation, you know, like, things like that. So here I'm just applying my foundation on my face, and I was talking to my friend, so excuse me if you guys see me talking in a video. And here I'm just taking my Too Faced Born This Way Chestnut. I'm actually taking chestnut and toffee, and I'm taking my Real Technique setting brush, and I'm basically just blending that out just on top of my lid, on top of my face, basically like it's foundation, just having everything blended together. So I'm taking my Sister Star Cosmetics concealer, and y'all, I love this concealer so freaking much. Like, I think this might be my new favorite concealer. So this was the products that I was using on the other day, my last makeup tutorial, I'm sorry. And I really do like these products a lot. So I'm taking my e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in Light, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing I did with my Too Faced concealer. I'm just blending it out. And y'all might think I use a lot of concealers, you guys, but to be honest, I really don't, okay? And the setting powder I'm using is from Sister Star Cosmetics. It's You, and this is translucent. And I love how it gives my under eye like a really bright under eye. And I don't know, y'all, like I said, this might be my new favorite setting powder. So here I'm gonna go ahead and take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Light to Medium. And I'm just gonna natural contour. You guys know I don't be contouring like that, okay? And here I'm gonna take my lashes from Lachey LAX in Tropic, you guys. I love these lashes. I know it may seem like I'm using the same lashes, but y'all, these lashes go, okay? Sorry I didn't show y'all me applying the lashes, and I'm just applying my Black Radiance Let's Toast. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And that's the end of this hair and makeup tutorial. I truly hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely leave my codes down below for the lashes and this necklace, and also if I receive any codes from Ririhair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys have a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye. That was the end of this video. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, I apologize if, you know, I seem like I was rushing or anything like that, but I've done this makeup look before, so it's really nothing to show for it. If you guys did see some new products, I did showcase them on my last video I did, which was yesterday. So if you guys want a more in-depth, you know, about these new products that you guys saw me using from Sister Star Cosmetics, you guys go ahead and watch that video. But other than that, y'all, I really appreciate y'all for just stopping by and getting into this hair, you know, with me. So I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and make sure you just shop the website for these lashes in this bomb wig. All right, love you guys. See you next time. Bye.